If you want to start your own side hustle this year, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to help you choose and validate a side hustle business idea, as well as understanding how you can position your side hustle business for success. I've also put together a free worksheet summarizing the steps in this video to help you stay on track as you go through the process of setting up your own side hustle business. This is the first episode of our new side hustle series where I break down the steps to help you start your own side hustle business this year. Ready? Let's jump in. I'm Matt Harris, and I started my first side hustle business, a commercial cleaning company, when I was still practicing full-time as a property lawyer. Before starting a side hustle business, you need to choose what sort of business you want and determine whether the business idea that you have is worth an investment of your time and other resources. This video will give you a 3-step process to help you make the right choice. Let's dive in. Step 1, choosing the right type of business. How do you choose the right type of side hustle business for yourself? What experience do you have or skills that you are most proud of? Ideally, your winning side hustle business idea will be a cross between something that you're interested in and something that other people either want to learn about or a product or service that they need. Keep in mind that there's no perfect idea, as your initial business idea will grow and evolve as time goes on. The key is to start with one idea and learn as you go. While it's tempting to wait for clarity before taking action, the reality is that clarity comes through taking action. A good starting point is to assess the skills, experience, and relationships that you already have, which can help excel your side hustle business. If you're not completely sure what you're good at or where you need to strengthen in terms of skills, you need to clarify on the skills that you currently have. Your skills are broken down into hard and soft skills. Soft skills are the personal attributes that you have that help you interact with other people. Hard skills are specific and teachable abilities that can be easily defined. The free worksheet that you can download includes a whole section which will help determine the skills that you have and help you identify the motivation behind starting your own side hustle business. If you haven't done so already, make sure you grab a copy of the worksheet by clicking the link in the video description below. Step 2, choosing a business format. Once you've chosen the right sort of business idea that you want to pursue, then it's time to determine what sort of format that business will take. The internet has made it the easiest time for becoming an entrepreneur because you're no longer restricted to a bricks and mortar business. All it takes nowadays is a few clicks on the mouse and you can have your online business up and running in minutes. There are different formats that your side hustle business can take, including a blog if you like writing, marketing and social media, podcast if you enjoy explaining topics and fun conversations, a YouTube channel like this one if you enjoy working with videos and explaining concepts. You can sell services online for things people want or need, like coaching, consulting and freelancing. You can sell physical products online using Shopify, Etsy, Amazon Marketplace or eBay. Or you can build a digital tool like developing software, apps or gaming if you have those skills. What you have to decide up front is whether you gravitate towards one particular format. Ask yourself whether the skills you have draw you towards a particular format or whether you feel one of these formats is most attainable. I started this YouTube channel, which led me to launching a blog and starting a newsletter, which enables me to offer my coaching and consulting services as well as digital products. If you want to find out more about how we can work together, make sure you click the link in the video description below. You need to start somewhere, so choose a business format that's right for you right now. And remember, just because you start with one format doesn't prevent you from adding additional formats as time goes on. Now, if you're getting value from this video, please make sure you hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can work its magic and recommend it to other people who find it useful. Step 3, idea validation. The final step in determining the idea for your side hustle business is validation. That means achieving reasonable certainty that your business will have a sustainable and growing audience in a matter of weeks or months. This usually means hitting a validation goal, like a certain number of readers, viewers, listeners, subscribers, sales or pre-orders within a specific time frame. Validation isn't a guarantee of success. It takes work to build trust with your customers or with an audience that you will be able to deliver enough value in exchange for the price that you're asking. Validation is designed to help get you your first paying customer and provide a foundation for future growth. You can set your validation goal by asking yourself 2 questions. 1, what kind of validation goal feels most meaningful to you? Choose the most meaningful metric to go after, whether that's subscribers, subscribers, readers, pre-orders, or sales? Number 2, what feels realistic? Set a measurable target that feels realistic given your time constraints and other commitments. Now that you've been able to choose the right side hustle business idea and set a validation goal, it's time to put an action plan together and start executing to see whether your idea gets some traction. That's the purpose of the next video in the side hustle series, which is all about creating an action plan for you to execute. Make sure you click the video that will show up over here once it's gone live next week for a deeper dive on creating a plan and taking action. In the meantime, don't forget to download the free worksheet summarizing the steps in this video to help you stay focused and on track with creating your own side hustle business. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next video.